Hi, I'm Sandy Williams with eXp Realty, and today we're going to check out the hottest over 55 community in Lakewood Ranch, and it's brand new, Cresswind at Lakewood Ranch. If you want to see these model homes, you're going to want to stick with me. Hi, I'm Sandy Williams with eXp Realty, and I want to show you the Summerland floor plan here at Cresswind at Lakewood Ranch. This floor plan comes in at about 1856 square feet, and it is in obviously Cresswind at Lakewood Ranch. So come on in and let's take a look. If you want to know prices, builders prices change frequently. To see the link right below, I have all the information on this community. So welcome to Cresswind at Lakewood Ranch, and this is the Summerland floor plan.